Welcome to Do This Digital Tech. In today's video, I will be showing you how to do two-way verification on your Facebook. So all you need to do is go into your account through here or through here. So scroll down to your settings and privacy. Setting and privacy. Then go to settings. You will see personal details and password and security. So under account center, tap on password and security. So when you get here, you can see password and security. You tap on password and security again. Password and security. So from there, you can see your two-way verification here. You can see your two-way verification here. Tap on it. Then choose the phone number. You can see I have done my own. So in case if you have not done your own, just choose this area. It will take you to phone number where you can input. Now it's asking for my password, where you can input your phone number or authenticator. So I will advise phone number. So just input your phone number. Then it will send you a text message code. Put the text message code. Then you are done. I want to believe this video will be of help. Aderola Oluwase is my name. See you in another video.